Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Blue color, brown color, dark green color, light green color, black color, red color, yellow color, sky blue color, orange color, purple color, dark green color, and last you open light pink color. Kids, now you draw A and use light pink color. A for apple. Kids, now you draw B and use blue color. B for ball. Kids, now you draw C and use brown color. C for cat. Kids, now you draw G and use light green color. D for dog. Kids, now you draw E and use black color. E for elephant. Kids, now you draw F and use red color. F for fish. Kids, now you draw G and use sky blue color. G for God. Now you draw H and use yellow color. H for helicopter. Kids, now you draw I and use orange color. I for ice cream. Kids, now you draw J and use purple color. J for joker. Kids, now you draw K and use pink color. K for king. Kids, now you draw L and use dark green color. L for lion. Kids, now you draw M and use pink color. M for moon. Kids, now you draw N and use blue color. N for nose. Kids, now you draw O and use brown color. O for octopus. Kids, now you draw P and use light green color. P for parrot. Kids, now you draw Q and use black color. Q for queen. Kids, now you draw R and use red color. R for rose. Kids, now you draw S and use sky blue color. S for sun. Kids, now you draw T and use yellow color. T for teacher. Kids, now you draw U and use orange color. U for umbrella. Kids, now you draw V and use purple color. V for van. Kids, now you draw W and use pink color. W for whale. Kids, now you draw X and use dark green color. X for xylophone. Kids, now you draw Y and use light pink color. Y for yo-yo. Its last letter Z, and U is blue color. Z, Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.